Light, reflection and refraction. Detailed explanation of image formation by different types of mirror. Let us start the test. Today we shall discuss about 5 multiple choice questions. Question number 1 is in this way. Which of the following can make a parallel beam of light when light comes from a point source is incident on it? Option 1 is concave mirror as well as convex lens. Convex mirror as well as concave mirror. Two plane mirror placed at 90 degree to each other. Concave mirror as well as concave lens. So let's see. The correct option of this question will be concave mirror as well as convex lens. Concave mirror can make a parallel beam of light when light comes from a point source is incident on it. Convex lens is also can make a parallel beam of light when light comes from a point source is incident on it. So the correct option is this one. Let's submit. Yeah, this is correct. Now continue for next question. This is the second question. Under which of the following condition a concave mirror can form a real image larger than the actual object? So according to the question, it is clear that size of the image is larger than the object. In case of concave mirror, we have 5 positions where we place the object. First position at infinite, second position between infinite and C, C is the center of curvature. Third position at the center, fourth position between C and F, F is the main focus, and fifth position is between P and F, P is the pole of the mirror. So in case of pole of mirror, when we place the object between P and F, then we get larger image, but it is not real. In case in rest 4 cases, we get the real image, but only one case we get the larger. When the object is placed between C and F, then we get the larger image and the image is real. Let's see the option. When the object is kept at a distance equal to radius of curvature. Equal to distance to its radius of curvature means center of curvature or at C. When the object is placed at C, then we get real and equal image, or size of the image is equal. When the object is kept at a distance less than its focal length, it means that in that case we place the object between P and F. In that case we do not get real image, we get virtual image, but the image is larger. So this is not the correct option. When the object is placed between the focus and center of curvature, it means that when we place the object between C and F, then we get the image behind the C and it is larger, together with it is also real. So this is the correct option. Let's see what is the last option. When the object is kept at a distance greater than its radius of curvature, it means that in that case we place the object between C and infinite. In that case we get the image between C and F, and image is shorter than the object. So the correct option is this one, when the object is placed between the focus and the center of curvature. Let's submit. Yeah, this is also correct. Now continue for next question. This is the third question. The mirror which always erect image of the same size is concave. In case of concave mirror, we get same size, larger than object and shorter than object. So this is not the correct option. In case of convex lens, we always get erect and shorter than image. So this is also not a correct option. Plane mirror, we always get erect and size of the image is always equal to the size of the object. So this is the correct option. Let's submit. Yeah, this is correct. Now continue and see the next question. This is the question number 4. The laws of reflection hold true for. Laws of reflection hold true for all types of reflecting surface. See here, plane mirror. It is a kind of reflecting surface. Therefore, this is true for this one, or laws of reflection. Concave mirror, it is also a kind of reflecting surface. Therefore, the laws of reflection is true for this one also. Convex mirror, this is also a kind of reflecting surface. Therefore, this is also true for the reflecting laws of reflection. So, the correct option is all reflecting surfaces. Let's see. Yeah, this is correct. Now we continue. This is the 5th and last question of the details of multiple choice question. When an object is kept within the focus of concave mirror, an enlarged image is formed behind the mirror. This image is. Let's see. Mirror is concave. Position of the object is between P and F. Image will be formed behind the mirror, and that is the virtual and erect. Let's see real. This is not the correct option because image will be virtual. Inverted, it also not be correct because image is erect. Virtual and inverted, image is virtual but not inverted, it is the erect, or virtual image never be inverted. So this is also not correct option. Virtual and erect. This is the correct option. Image will be virtual and erect. Image also will be enlarged, that is written in the question. So the correct option is this one. Now we submit. Yeah, this is also correct. In this way, we discussed about these 5 multiple choice questions, and all questions are related to the different types of mirror. So thanks to all of you. If you have any problem to understand these details, thank you very much to stay with me till the details of the last question. This question has been prepared by Anand Prajapati. Question and answer has been prepared by both, and this details of multiple choice question will be useful to all students who will write term 1 examination in this month. Once again, I thanks to all of you. Thank you very much.